guys, welcome to Kids Craft Corner. I know I haven't posted any videos in a long time because of school. But I was walking around at Costco and found this amazing Pop Fizz bath bomb kit. Let's see what's inside. Guys, so I took the bath bomb kit out of the box and it says you can create 20 bath bombs with this kit. It includes a lot of cool stuff like baking soda, bath bomb mixture, body glitter, 10 mica powders, sunflower oil, coconut oil, and 5 fragrances. This kit comes with a set of instructions. Let's follow them and see what we can make. So I have my bowl, my water, my tablespoon, and my teaspoon. So I'm going to follow the instructions and make the bath bombs. First, mix all of your dry ingredients together in a bowl. I have my bowl and I'm going to pour 4 tablespoons of baking soda inside my bowl. Plus, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda as well. Next, you have to add 10 tablespoons of bath bomb mix plus 2 teaspoons. I've already added my 10 tablespoons, so I'll add my 2 teaspoons. Now you have to mix the 2 dry ingredients with your hands so there's no clumps left. Mix it so that it is all soft. Next, get a fragrance of your choice. I'm using rose fragrance and add about 8 drops. Then add a teaspoon of coconut oil and mix it without your hand. Make sure you mix it properly. Once the coconut oil is mixed in with your mixture, with one hand mix the mixture and slowly sprinkle half a teaspoon of water with it. Next, pick any mica powder color of your choice and add half a teaspoon. Mix the mica powder and it together with your hands. Make sure you mix it properly. At this point, you could add the sparkles inside, but I choose not to. If you do add sparkles, mix it together and choose a mold. I chose the donut mold. Now you could fill the mold up little by little. And if you're choosing a prize, you could put it in when you add a little bit. Then cover the mold. After you fill your molds, I also made a strawberry one with the extra powder I had. But after you fill your molds, let them sit for a few minutes. The donut mold didn't turn out. It broke right when it got out of the mold, but the strawberry one did. So let's see how it fizzes. fizzing really well, and the top is foaming really well. And the color shows really good, and it smells really well also. So this kit was really good overall, even if the donut mold didn't turn out. I rate this bath bomb kit a 9 out of 10. I got it at Costco for $17. Make sure to comment down below what I should do next. Subscribe and like the video. Check the description below to see my other videos and where I make a cupcake bath bomb. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and like the video. Bye!